How's it going, everyone? It's Millionisms, and this is going to be module 3 of my free TikTok mastery course. Today, I'm just going to be going over creator fund, maximization, and earnings, just kind of show you guys what I've earned for a million views, things of that nature. I'm going to keep this one pretty short because there's really not too much to go over here. But brief look at my account here. As you can see, I started this course 2 days ago. I've been filming an episode a day. On day one, we were at 30,000 followers. Day two, we hit 40,000. And this is day three, we're at 48.6 thousand. And we just hit 1 million likes. Again, this is not to brag. This is just to show you guys the power of this method and the strategy I've been using. No other TikTok strategy out there is blowing up with this amount of ease and this little effort. I mean, it's truly incredible. And I'm going to make another video tomorrow on monetization strategies. And I even actually have a bonus video in the work where I step by step go through all the steps on that other account I made yesterday, which has already gotten to 75 followers, started to blow up a little bit just off of one or two videos. I'm going to start building that account, show you guys how much I make with affiliate marketing for a week, and then I'll probably just give the account away at the end. So you're going to want to make sure you're in my Discord to check the giveaways tab for that. That'll be in about a week. But until then, we'll go through my account here. And just one more thing to note, I mean, I have gotten a little lucky with this account, no doubt, but everything kind of happens for a reason. And you just post enough, 3 times a day, you're eventually going to have some blow up. It's obviously, not everyone's going to have a video hit 2.7 million, but I did. And so I'm going to show you guys exactly how much I made just from 1 million views. I was at about 1.3 million views on this video until 2 days ago. Recently, it started blowing up again. It's almost tripled since then. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you what I earned for 1 million because my creator fund hasn't even paid me for the next, about 1.5 million views I got over the last 2 days because it only pays, it's like a 3-day pay delay almost, if that makes sense. I'll explain this better if I just go into my creator tool. So we'll go into my creator fund here. And this is just educational purposes only, not to brag. Okay, so we just got a pay update, $2.55. My big paydays are yet to come. Tomorrow's payday is going to be pretty big, and then the day after that should be pretty big as well. But yeah, $56 we got on the creator fund on the 9th, and it's the 19th, so it's exactly 10 days. So we're averaging about $5.50 a day, which is pretty good considering we just got on it. That's almost an extra meal a day you can buy. Depends how you want to look at it there, but you can see our best 2 days are really bringing in most of the money. So we've got a $5 day, $1.80, $2.50, and then just a lot of days even under $1 where my views just weren't that great. But we can see the 16th and the 17th. That was my million view day right there. So for 1 million views, and granted there was a few other views on top of that, I had some other videos do decent, but nothing, even in comparison. Just a little quick mental calculation I did. I probably made about $30, $30 to $32 for 1 million views. And so, I mean, that might not seem great, but if you post enough, you're going to hit 1 million views. Maybe not all in one video, but just over time. And so, I mean, this is just very minimal earnings for this amount of following on a TikTok account. So if you do the strategy, creator fund should be second or third amount of revenue that you bring in. But this is just a great bonus to have on top just for getting views on your videos that take you 5 seconds to make. It took me 5 seconds to make the video that hit 2.7 million views, literally 5 seconds. And I'm going to end up getting paid around $60 to $90 from it. So there's no reason not to do this strategy right now. Again, tomorrow and the next day, probably 2 more pretty decently sized payouts. You can see here at the time of this recording, it is the 22nd, and you can only see the 19th, so there is a 3-second delay. Also, since I just got on it, it says at the bottom here, your balance for each month can be transferred approximately 30 days after the end of that month. So that means I have to wait not just at the end of this month, but another month after this month to just withdraw the earnings for this month. I know that's kind of a mouthful there. Hopefully you guys can understand what I mean by that. If not, it doesn't really matter. It's just kind of an annoying thing they do. It takes forever to get that first paycheck. So that is a bit of a bummer, but all in all, still pretty exciting stuff here. I mean, I don't know. Maybe you expected it to be, 1,000. Maybe you thought it'd be a couple bucks. Regardless, for the amount of effort we've put in, this is a great amount of money to make. Just for posting these videos, I go on my phone. I literally use this app for 2 minutes a day. If that, I check my Creator Fund earnings and I just post my videos. I post my 3 videos a day, and then when I need to, I make more drafts. As you can see, I've got 67 drafts queued up. Again, I explained this in one of the past videos. It I think it's better to have drafts, whether it's 10 or 50 or even 5, just have some in there. It really seems to help with the algorithm, and that's not anything I can confirm, obviously, but it can't hurt you to do it. It can't hurt you to just have a few more drafts, especially when it takes no time at all, and it'll actually pay off later when you just, you don't feel like making these videos as easy as they are to make anyways. It's just good to have them ready to go, so you just don't have to use this app that much. And so that's about all I have for this one. I just kind of want to give you guys a baseline of what you'll earn for Creator Fund, just kind of more educational for this video as far as earnings go. I want to get more in depth to monetization strategies going forward, like I already explained. And so stay tuned for the next ones for that. Again, any questions, feel free to comment below, hit me up in my Discord. I am giving all this information out for free, so a like and a subscribe goes a really long way for me. It really does mean the world. But stay tuned. I'm probably about halfway done with this. I want to do just a few more modules, cover about all I need to cover, and then that bonus video is going to be a really, really good one, guys, because I'm just showing you exactly what I'm doing step by step, and you'll get to see the earnings I'm making. Who knows if they'll be great? Who knows if they'll be terrible? But you guys will get to see it all firsthand, and I'm going to be giving that account away at the end. So again, more reasons to join my Discord. We're trying to build a great community there of people just growing these TikTok accounts. No reason not to join. So the link will be posted below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.